In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit in WordPress 2026. If you manage lots of posts, bulk editing is a huge time saver, letting you adjust common settings across multiple posts in just a few clicks. Let's walk through it clearly and carefully so you know exactly what to expect. Start by heading to WordPress.com and opening your site's dashboard. From the home page of your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is your main navigation area for everything on your site. Find the Posts section and open it to view your list of posts. You'll see columns like title, author, categories, tags, and date, along with checkboxes to the left of each post. At the top of the post list, locate the Bulk Actions dropdown. Before you use it, decide which posts you want to edit together. Use the checkboxes to select specific posts, or use the checkbox at the very top to select all posts currently visible in the list. If you need to be precise, it helps to filter your list first by status or category, so you're only selecting the posts that truly need changes. Now open the Bulk Actions dropdown and choose Edit. With your post selected, click Apply. This brings up the Bulk Edit panel, which sits above the list and shows a set of fields you can change for all selected posts at once. In the Bulk Editor, you'll typically be able to adjust things like author, categories, tags, comment status, and post status. You may also see options for making posts sticky on the home page, changing formats, or toggling pings depending on your setup. Any value you set here is applied to every selected post, so take a moment to confirm these settings are what you intend. For example, adding a tag in bulk will add it to all selected posts, and changing the status to draft or private will move them all accordingly. If you don't want to alter a particular field, simply leave it unchanged. Once you're satisfied with your selections, review everything one more time. This is a good time to ensure you didn't accidentally include posts you didn't mean to update. When you're ready, click Update to apply the changes. After you click Update, give WordPress a few seconds to process. You'll see the bulk editor close and the post list refresh. Your changes should now be reflected in the list. That's it. Quick, consistent updates across multiple posts without opening them one by one. With this workflow, managing tags, categories, authors, or statuses becomes fast and consistent, helping you keep your content organized with minimal effort.